Hi everyone, and welcome to this third part of our introduction to repl. Today I'm going to show you how to share some sample code that you've written in repl with your students. You can share it as a link, or you can take some embed code and embed that directly into your own web page. So what I'm going to do from my dashboard here is go into my repls. I've got a few here that I've been working on, but I'm going to create another one. We're working in Python today. What I'm going to do is just write out a few lines of Python code that I'm going to share with my students. So give me a moment while we come up with something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the user to enter their age as a whole number. Okay? So let's use Python's input function and convert whatever data we get from the keyboard to be a number. And then let's display some kind of meaningful result. So you were born in, so this year is 2018, and if we take away the value of age, we should get an approximate year of birth. I'm 46 years old. So you were born in 1972. Oh, how wonderful. Okay, so this is the sample code that I want to share with my students. Now what I'm going to do is before I click share, I'm going to rename this, because repl gives files a really random weird names. So let's just call this, I'm just going to forget about that, and I'm going to call this sample 1. So this is now sample 1, and I'm going to share that with my students. Now I could send them a link somehow, maybe through Twitter or Facebook or my school's VLE, or I could embed the code into my own web page, and this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take that there, I'm going to Control C on my keyboard to copy, Control C. Now I'm going to go to a web page that I have been designing. This is in Google Sites, by the way, so this is a web page that I'm building at the moment. I'm going to go to the embed option here, and I'm going to paste that. Oops, that's by URL. Let's go to embed code. That's what I want. Excellent. Hopefully I can insert the repl directly into my Google site, and there it is. So when I publish the site, and if my students have access to this site, they will immediately be able to see a sample program, and they'll be able to run it as well. So that's how to embed code directly into your website.